Welcome to our guide on the best color palette generator tools. Creating professional color schemes doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll explore 4 powerful tools that make color selection simple, fast, and accessible for designers of all skill levels. Whether you're building a website, designing graphics, or creating brand materials, these tools will help you find the perfect colors for your project. Today we're reviewing 4 exceptional color palette generators. First is Coolors.co, an AI-powered tool that generates beautiful palettes with instant exports. Second is Adobe Color, the industry standard for professional color exploration and harmony. Third is Huemint, which uses machine learning to create stunning color combinations. And fourth is Colordot, an intuitive tool for quick color discovery. Each tool has unique strengths, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one best fits your workflow. When choosing a color palette generator, there are 4 essential features to consider. Speed and efficiency means generating palettes quickly without complex setup. Multiple export formats allow you to save colors as CSS, JSON, PNG, SVG, and more for seamless integration into your projects. Accessibility support includes contrast checking and WCAG compliance tools to ensure your colors work for everyone. AI-powered generation means smart algorithms that create harmonious color combinations automatically. The best tools combine these features to give you both speed and professional quality results. Coolors.co is an incredibly popular choice for designers worldwide. The beauty of this tool is its simplicity. Simply press the spacebar and instantly generate a new color palette. If you like some colors but want to change others, you can lock specific colors and regenerate the rest. Export options are extensive, supporting CSS, JSON, PNG, SVG, and many other formats. One standout feature is the built-in accessibility contrast checker, which verifies that your color combinations meet WCAG standards for readability. This makes it perfect for creating inclusive designs that work for everyone. Adobe Color is the industry standard for serious designers. This tool offers multiple harmony rules including complementary, triadic, and analogous color schemes. Understanding these harmonies helps you create visually balanced palettes that follow color theory principles. Beyond generation, you can explore trending colors and browse palettes created by the global design community for inspiration. The accessibility testing feature ensures your colors meet WCAG contrast requirements. If you're already using Adobe Creative Cloud, the integration is seamless, making it easy to transfer colors directly into your design projects. Huemint represents the future of AI-driven design. This tool uses machine learning trained on beautiful design standards to generate aesthetically pleasing palettes. What makes Huemint special is that the colors it creates are naturally harmonious because they're learned from existing great designs. You have fine-tuned controls with sliders to adjust results to your preference. The tool provides preview mockups showing how your palette looks in sample website designs. You can export in multiple formats, making it easy to integrate your chosen colors into your projects. Colordot takes a completely different approach with beautiful simplicity. Instead of clicking buttons and pressing spacebar, you move your mouse across the screen to explore colors. This intuitive interaction model makes color discovery feel more like play than work. With a single click, you generate a new color. Copying hex codes happens instantly, perfect for designers who want quick color inspiration without overthinking. Colordot is ideal when you need a fast color reference or want to explore color space organically. It's the most minimalist tool in this lineup, perfect for those who prefer simplicity. Let's compare these 4 tools across key dimensions. All 4 excel at speed, generating palettes instantly. For accessibility, Coolors and Adobe Color both include WCAG contrast checking, while Huemint and Colordot don't offer this feature. Export options are strong for Coolors, Adobe, and Huemint, but Colordot focuses on hex code copying. Learning curve differs significantly. Coolors and Colordot are very easy to learn, taking just minutes to master. Adobe Color has a moderate learning curve because of its color theory concepts. Choose based on your needs. If accessibility is critical, pick Coolors or Adobe. If you want AI-generated aesthetics, choose Huemint. For pure simplicity, Colordot wins. Here are 4 pro tips to get the best results from any color palette generator. First, start with purpose. Before generating palettes, define your design's mood and know your target audience. This context helps you evaluate generated colors more effectively. Second, test contrast first. Always verify WCAG accessibility standards before finalizing your palette. This ensures your colors work for people with color blindness and low vision. Third, preview in context. View your palette in actual design mock-ups before final selection. Colors look different in different contexts. Fourth, export multiple formats. Save your palette in CSS, JSON, and image formats. This flexibility lets you use the same palette across different projects and platforms. Now you have a complete understanding of 4 powerful color palette generators. Each tool has its own strengths and ideal use cases. Coolors excels with speed and simplicity combined with accessibility features. Adobe Color offers professional harmony rules and community inspiration. Huemint delivers AI-generated aesthetic excellence. Colordot provides intuitive, minimalist color exploration. The best choice depends on your specific workflow and priorities. I encourage you to try all 4 tools and discover which becomes your favorite. Start creating stunning color schemes today and watch how professional color palettes elevate your design work. Thank you for watching and happy creating.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.